lot of people think learning English is hard. They think you need years of classes, expensive courses, or maybe some special talent. But here is the truth. It is not as hard as you think. In fact, learning English can actually be simple. And today, I'm going to show you exactly why. Stay with me, because by the end of this episode, you are going to see English in a completely different way. Let me ask you something. Have you ever learned how to do something just by watching someone else do it? Maybe you learned how to cook by watching your parents in the kitchen. Maybe you learned a new skill just by watching videos online. You did not read a manual, you did not memorize instructions, you just watched, listened, and tried. Language works the same way. The reason so many people think English is hard is because they were taught the wrong way. They were given grammar rules to memorize, long vocabulary lists to study, and tests to pass, and none of that actually helped them speak. Real language learning does not start with rules. It starts with listening. So let me give you the first reason why English is easier than you think. English is everywhere. Seriously, think about your daily life, the music you listen to, the movies and shows you watch, the apps on your phone, the games you play. So much of it is already in English. This means you are already exposed to English every single day, probably without even realizing it. And every time you hear an English word you recognize, every time you understand a line from a song or a movie, that is your brain learning. You are already doing it. You just need to do it more intentionally. The second reason, English words are not as foreign as they seem. Here's something that will surprise you. There are thousands of English words that look similar to words in other languages, especially if you already know some Spanish, French, or even just common international words. Words like information, communication, situation, education. If you have ever seen these words before, you already know what they mean in English. No studying required. And there are hundreds more just like that. English borrows from many languages. That means you already have a head start, even if you have never officially studied English before. The third reason, you do not need to be perfect to communicate. This is a big one. A lot of learners are afraid to speak because they think they will make mistakes. They are afraid people will laugh or not understand them. But here's the reality. Native speakers do not expect you to be perfect. They just want to understand you. And you can communicate a lot with simple words and clear sentences. Where is the bathroom? Gets you to the bathroom. I need help. Gets you help. You do not need advanced grammar for that. Fluency is not about being perfect. Fluency is about being understood, and that's much easier to achieve than most people think. The fourth reason, small progress adds up fast. Learning 10 new words a day doesn't sound like much, but 10 words a day, 7 days a week, is 70 words a week. That's 280 words in 1 month. In 6 months, you have learned over 1,600 words. Studies show that knowing just 1,000 of the most common English words allows you to understand about 85% of everyday conversation. That means 6 months of small, consistent effort can get you to a point where you can follow most conversations in English. That's not years of hard work. That's just a little bit every day. The fifth reason, the more you do it, the easier it gets. This sounds obvious, but it's important. Your brain is designed to learn language. Every time you hear an English sentence, your brain is quietly working to understand it. Every time you repeat a word, your brain stores it a little deeper. At first, it feels slow. You feel like nothing is happening. But then, one day, something clicks. You understand a sentence you wouldn't have understood before. You say something in English without even thinking about it, and you realize you are doing it. This moment comes for everyone who stays consistent. Everyone. The people who seem naturally talented at English are usually just the people who were not afraid to try and did not stop when it got uncomfortable. So what's the takeaway from all of this? English is not a mountain you have to climb perfectly. It's a path you walk every day, and the more you walk, the more natural it feels. Stop waiting until you feel ready. Stop thinking you need to know everything before you start speaking. Start now. Start small. Listen more. Speak more. Make mistakes and keep going. English is not hard. It just takes consistency and the right mindset. And you already have both. That's it for today. If this episode helped you, share it with someone who is also learning English. And before you go, leave a comment below. I want to know, what is the one thing that used to make English feel hard for you? Share it below because your answer might help someone else who feels the same way. I'll see you in the next episode.